Yo, what's up, guys? This is Pete from Platinum Media. This is gonna be my first vlog. I'm gonna try to vlog tonight. There's a car meet. It's Steer Fresh and streetfuel.co. And then tomorrow I'm gonna vlog as well. So come along to the right and see how it goes. Alright guys, we're going to be heading to the meet here pretty soon. We're going to go Hot Wheel hunting real quick, get some snacks, some water. But I wanted to introduce you guys to my girlfriend.
Hi!
That's Lucy. She'll probably be around pretty often, so get used to her. And yeah, stick around and see what happens. Alright guys, we're at Target. We found some of this, a bunch of Porsches, and yeah. Alright, we're at In-N-Out now. We're gonna get some food. This is where the meat is at, so we're gonna get some food real quick. And yeah. We're waiting for our food at In-N-Out. Do you have any words of encouragement with Lucy?
It's In-N-Out. Not in and out. In and out.
You said it wrong both times. Goodbye.
Whatever.
We secured the bag. In and out. Alright guys, we're at the meet now. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars. What is this? Some Civic. Look how bad. Alright, so we set up a table, we sell Hot Wheels, we got hoodies, and yeah, let's see what we sell tonight.
Selector's got the 22 RE, right?
Back charger, the carbon fiber. True. Alright guys, we're leaving the meet. I don't know where we're going right now, but if anything, I'll catch you guys tomorrow at the other meet. And yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're at an unexpected car show in El Segundo. So yeah, I'll show you guys around. It's a lot of classic cars, but I see a Ford GT. Oh my god. This is sick. Dang. Hey, there's a Dodge Viper. That's sick. You don't see those too often. Hey. Another Ford GT over here. Are you guys into classic cars at all? Let me know. Oh, this Slam truck is sick. Hey. Corvettes up in here. Oh, we got the DeLorean. This Chevy truck is sick. Another DeLorean with Doc over here. That's funny. Alright guys, we're back at the car. I had forgotten my camera at home, so I'm gonna go pick that up real quick, and then maybe we'll come back and shoot a few cars, and yeah. Alright, we're back at home. This is the bag I forgot, so I can take that and I'll catch you guys at the meet again. Alright, we're back at the meet. I have to walk to the meet and I'll show you guys some more cars. So yeah, catch you guys there. Alright, we're back at the car meet. Let's see what we could shoot real quick. Should we shoot video or photos? I think just photos for now.
Look good to show though. Have a good day though.
You too. Take care.
We're gonna be busted at the city. Alright guys, we're leaving the meet. There's a bunch of classic cars, something different. But I'll catch you guys later. We're going to a Karuma meet later on, like a few hours. Let's go pick up my girlfriend and then I'll catch you guys later. Slam golf?
Hey y'all, Lucy here. We're currently on our way to Karuma. He's driving.
Yeah. Catch you guys at the meet.
Bye.
Alright guys, we're about to pull up to the meet. We found these guys. Let's see. I don't know what you can see, but we're here. Yeah. Alright, we just got here. We got the raffle number. This is pretty sick. But hella cars. We're gonna go check them out right now. And yeah. Shout out to Karuma. And yeah, we're number 162. See if we win something. Wide body Z. Yeah. That's crazy. Oh, is this that MR2? I seen this one on TikTok. It's a lady driven, I think. Not mistaken. Camber for days. Car's still pulling up. Hasn't even started. It starts at 5 and it's already 4. And it's already packed. Peep the wide body Civic. This is sick. It's on work wheels. Jeez, this is sick.
Hey,
Jeez.
the car's going, have a good time, everybody.
This is sick. The work wheels. More work wheels.
Because if you stay here, it's going to shut down. Let's keep it going. Come on, guys, have a good time.
This wagon. This is sick. I want a wagon one day. Oh, this IS300, same color as my car. Looks like the same color. Jeez. Car's still pulling up. What's that? A Beamer LS400. Jeez. LS400. That's sick. These are sick. I want one. Lexus sedan one day. They're sick. Free. Everywhere. Toyota Corolla on, what is that? Working Mints? That's sick. Keep the RX-7. There's a Ferrari over here with BBS wheels. Shit. We'll get to those. Okay, we're about to leave. Peep the Mustang though. Let's see. Who's there now? Oh, the R35. That's my dream car right there. If you guys don't know. Let's see. We missed the R35 and the McLaren. Dang, we're missing all the good cars leaving. No, we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Try and show you guys some of the cars leaving on the way back. We're going to another car meet actually. So yeah, it's a freaking long day, and yeah, we'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Peep these. One's on work wheels and one's on TEs.
Alright guys, I'm home now. I didn't do much after the car meets. I just dropped my girlfriend off. We hung out a little bit, and then that was about it. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. Shout out to the people who hosted the car meets today. Steer Fresh, Street Fuel, Karuma. Shout out to them. Also, I'm trying to do this more often. Let me know how I could improve in the comments below. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll do this more often. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay positive, stay safe, and see you guys next time. Peace.